Good evening, one and all. I've just spent the last couple of hours building the remote control for the winch hatch in the OBSI. Suppose I could use the manual control, but figured I like all things radio, so I'll build a radio remote. So this is it, built on a bit of wood, as you can see. So we got, where should we start? Oh yeah, right. That's the little radio receiver. So allegedly got about a 50-meter range, yet to be tested. And then four, excuse me, bit of a cold. 4 100 amp continuous current relays, 250 amp peak, wired in a, well, yeah, basically an H bridge. So opposite relays switching to connect the power in one direction and then in the opposite direction. There's a kind of a cute little remote control, not particularly well made, but you know, functional. Comes with a battery. Yeah, so basically I've got it hooked up to my bench supply at the moment, which is running at about what, just 13 volts ish, something like that. Oh, iron's on, turn the iron off. Oh, okay. Right, so there's a DVM. Recording obviously nothing on the output at the moment because I haven't pushed either of the buttons. So if I press the in button, I get minus 12.9 volts, which would run the motor in one direction. Top button plus 12.9 volts, running the motor in the other direction. So you can hear the relays clicking when I push the button. A little light comes on, so that's one direction, and the opposite direction. So hopefully the relays will have enough. Well, if these relays can't switch it, nothing's going to switch it, because they're designed for switching car starter motors. So they should be, which essentially is what the winch is. So it should be fine. Yeah, I'll hook it up and I'll see how it goes. So this end would be the battery, plus red and black, plus or minus nominally. This end is the motor, which I've just cabled up as black and black because obviously the polarity changes. So a little close up there. Right, good. So well, we'll give it a go and see what happens. I'm not sure I'm going to get time to do it tonight because it's pitch black and pouring with rain. But yeah, it's finished anyway. So and it appears to work. Anyway, thanks for watching. Cheers.